If you are here, you're probably gearing up to apply to US universities. And guess what? Your essays are one of the most critical parts of your application. They're your chance to stand out and let the admissions officer know who you are beyond your test scores and grades. But writing an essay can feel overwhelming, right? Don't worry. I'm here to help you with some proven strategies to make your essays impactful. So grab a notebook and let's dive right in. First things first, let's break down why the essay matters. The admissions committee already knows your GPA, GRE scores, and your extracurriculars. But the essay? It's where you show your personality, your values, and what makes you tick. Think of it like this: the essay is a conversation between you and the admissions officer. Imagine sitting before them and they ask, "What's important to you?" This is your chance to share your unique story. You might be wondering, should I write about a big achievement, a personal challenge, or something else entirely? Well, here's the secret. The topic itself doesn't have to be groundbreaking or dramatic. What matters is how you tell the story. Even something as simple as a hobby or a small moment in your life can turn into an amazing essay if you reflect on it meaningfully. To help you brainstorm, ask yourself these questions. What experiences have shaped who I am today? What do I care deeply about? When did I show growth, resilience, or leadership? What am I passionate about, and how does that connect to my future goals? Once you've picked a topic, make sure your essay is personal. Avoid cliches like "I want to change the world" or "I'm a hard worker," because these do not tell the admissions team anything new about you. Instead, focus on your voice and unique journey. For example, instead of saying "I volunteered at an animal shelter and learned a lot," try "The first day at the animal shelter, I was overwhelmed by the noise and energy of the animals. But by the end of the summer, I found peace in their routines and saw how much even small efforts could make a difference." See the difference? It's specific and personal. Now, the classic show don't tell advice. But what does that really mean? It's all about using descriptive details and storytelling to paint a picture instead of making statements. For example, instead of saying "I'm a leader," share a story where your leadership came through. Maybe you organized an event or helped a friend during a tough time. Describe what happened, how you felt, and what you learned from the experience. Make the reader feel like they were there with you. Now let's talk about structure. Your essay should have a clear beginning, middle, and end. Start with a hook, a compelling opening to grab the reader's attention. It could be an intriguing question, a quote, or a vivid description of a moment. Then, guide the reader through the main story, keeping it concise and on point. And finally, end with a reflective conclusion that ties everything together. A good structure not only keeps your essays organized but also helps the reader follow your thoughts. Bonus tip: avoid jumping around too much. Stick to one or two key themes or moments and explore them in depth. Alright, so you've got your draft ready, but does the work end here? The best of essays always go through multiple rounds of revisions. Put it aside for a day or two and come back with fresh eyes. Read it out loud. Does it flow naturally? Does it sound like you? Always double check. Before we wrap up, let's go over some common mistakes that students make while drafting their essays. Number 1. Using cliches. Avoid using cliches like "ever since I was young" or "I've always been passionate about," etc. Number 2. Bragging. Do not brag too much. Remember, humility goes a long way. Number 3. Being too generic. Don't try to please everyone. Be specific about your experiences. Number 4. Ignoring the word count. Do not ignore the word count. It's there for a reason. And lastly, forgetting the reflection part. Admissions officers want to know what you learned from the experience and not just what happened. So don't forget to add your learnings. And there you have it. Writing a personal essay might seem intimidating, but if you stay true to yourself, choose the right topic, and show your personal journey, you'll make an impact. Remember, the goal is to let the admissions officers know who you are as a person beyond the test scores and grades. So take your time, write from the heart, and don't forget to proofread.